Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 different ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your current job, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. The best thing about it is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. You can work around other commitments that you have in your life, such as childcare or another job. So, if you're ready to learn more, let's get started. Taking surveys. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by taking surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for your views. You can sign up with as many survey companies as you want, and complete them in your spare time. Online surveys are a great way to make extra money, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Many companies offer online surveys, and you can sign up with as many as you like. According to recent studies, the average person can earn $1,000 per year by taking surveys. So, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra cash, taking surveys is a great option. Selling products. Another way to make money online is by selling products. If you're a creative person, you can sell products that you create yourself. This could include anything from art to jewelry to handmade furniture. You can sell your products on online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon or eBay. Alternatively, you can sell products from other companies by setting up an online store or partnering with a company as an affiliate. There are endless possibilities when it comes to selling products online, so find something that interests you and get started. According to a recent study, the average person who sells products online makes $85,000 a year, with top earners making over $1 million. So, if you're looking to make serious money, selling products online is a great option. Virtual assistant. A third way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. As a virtual assistant, you will perform tasks that are needed by your client but can be done from your home. This could include answering emails, scheduling appointments, creating and sending out invoices, or providing customer service. One of the great things about being a virtual assistant is that you can set your hours. This means that you can work around other commitments that you have in your life, such as childcare or another job. You can also take on as much or as little work as you want, depending on your availability. The median hourly rate for virtual assistants is $27.50, which means you can earn $55,000 per year on average. The top 10% of virtual assistants make $80,000 per year or more. Writing articles. If you're a skilled writer, you can make money online by writing articles. There are plenty of websites and blogs that are looking for quality content, and they're willing to pay for it. You can write about anything that interests you, whether it's a hobby, a passion, or a profession. You can also earn money by writing ebooks, creating online courses, or ghostwriting. Writing is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to use your creativity and share your knowledge with others. Graphic design. If you're a talented graphic designer, you can make money online by creating designs for websites, logos, and marketing materials. You can sell your designs on online marketplaces such as Shutterstock or Behance, or work as a freelancer for businesses and individuals. Graphic design is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to use your creativity and skills to create visually appealing designs that help businesses and individuals stand out. Web development. If you're a web developer, you can make money online by building and designing websites for businesses and individuals. You can work as a freelancer or start your own web development company. Web development is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to use your technical skills to create visually appealing websites that help businesses and individuals achieve their goals. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can make money online by tutoring students. You can teach a wide range of subjects, from math and science to language and music. You can also teach students from all over the world, and work from the comfort of your own home. Online tutoring is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to use your knowledge and teaching skills to help others learn and grow. Online coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can make money online by coaching others. You can coach people on a wide range of topics, from business and career development to health and wellness. Online coaching is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to use your expertise and experience to help others achieve their goals. Affiliate marketing. You can make money online by promoting products and services as an affiliate marketer. You can earn commissions on sales by promoting products on your website or social media channels. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to earn money by promoting products that you believe in. Dropshipping. Another way to make money online is by starting a dropshipping business. This involves selling products online without having to hold any inventory. You can find products from wholesalers or manufacturers and sell them on your own website or on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Dropshipping is a great way to make money online, as it allows you to start a business with minimal investment and low risk. And there you have it, 10 different ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your current job, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. Choose something that interests you and aligns with your skill set, and with a bit of hard work and dedication, you can be well on your way to making money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. You can find more on the www.earnings101.com.